everybody, welcome back to another lesson in my Czerny's Opus 599 for solo learners. In this video we're going to learn number 24. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I offer online piano lessons. If you're looking for one, there's going to be information below. And if you'd like to get this special edition of Czerny's Opus 599 specifically for solo learners, links will be below. So number 24 is a double thirds exercise, again in 6/8. Number 23 was in 6/8 as well, so we are still in compound time, in duple time. This one is again a workout for the right hand. The left hand is merely supporting the right hand melody with some held chords. But the right hand is really working on legato double thirds, which are quite difficult, and I think we had them before in a previous exercise. Now let's have a look at the first section until the repeat sign. So 6/8, 6/8 notes in every bar, 6 quavers, and 1/8 note is going to be 1 beat long, and the dotted quarter note is going to be 3 beats long. Don't forget, in 6/8 the accent falls on the 1 and the 4 because we have 2 groups of 3s, so the first in each group is going to be slightly stronger, and that's why it's a duple time. It feels like it's in 2 beats. Let's start with the left hand still in the treble clef. We're starting with C major. So all of these chords are going to be blocked chords, so making sure the hand is rounded, the fingers are rounded, and we play the notes with accuracy, so all 3 notes of the chords go down perfectly together and the wrist feels very soft. So instead of, so making sure you really concentrate on the key attack of the 3 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, F major chord, C, F, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back to C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now 2 shorter chords, G major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, finishing on the G major chord. And of course a dotted half note is going to be a full bar long, so 6 beats long. So very simple, straightforward left hand. The right hand is moving stepwise in thirds, and we're usually in a 5-finger position, but we move around quite a bit. Now remember, when we have double thirds, so a melody moving in thirds, it's very hard because what can happen is that one finger always goes down a bit sooner than the other one. And that's not what you want to do. If it sounds like that, you need to stop and try to fix it and see where is it coming from. Now the same thing applies, rounded hands, rounded fingers, very soft wrist, but here we have to concentrate on 2 notes going down together. And when we move on to the next one, we kind of rotate into it a little bit to make sure we compensate for the different lengths of the fingers, but we also lift these fingers and accurately concentrating that they go down together. And the same with the next one. And this one is particularly hard because finger 5 is very short. So, and if you can get this very slowly, going up and down, then you can start actually working on the piece. If you can't even do that, you won't be able to play the piece because it's too long and has too many thirds. So let's assume we practice doing this and we know what we're doing. So 1, 2, 3, bounce, bounce, bounce. 1, 2, 3, bounce, bounce, bounce. Moving to the F position. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's the end of the first phrase, the first sentence or musical idea, so we round off, we make the ending a bit quieter. Second line. And now 1, 3. And we have a repeated D, so make sure you swap the finger numbers on it. And when we have these 2 shorter slurs, lift up, lift, lift, hands together. Left hand is merely sustaining the chords and making sure the right hand again is louder, and the left hand is quieter because the right hand has the melody, so keep the chords very gentle. F chord, round off, second line. Now 1, 3 and G chord, C chord, and G major. And that's the first section. The second section, again, bar 9, introduces a little bit of new material. The left hand has single notes and double notes, and the right hand is going into a staccato pattern. So let's go through the left hand first, starting on the G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bar 13, F major chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. G7 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, right hand is going to play a G chord, C chord, but this time it's going to break it up into the bottom 2 and top staccato. Now, you can do the double Gs with the same finger, but I think the double Gs are going to be better if you can alternate the finger numbers. So 5, 4, 5, 4, 4, 3. So a nice substitution on those double repeated staccato notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now legato, a big downbeat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, F position, then C position, and the scale coming down, finishing on staccato Cs. Hands together. Many times what I see when I teach this piece is that students make the left hand staccato, which, sounds fine, but that's not what's in the score, so make sure you sustain those left hand dotted quarter notes. Hold, and now together. C and G7. Keep the right hand connected. And there we go at the end. Again, quite a few things to pay attention in this one, but the most challenging part is the double thirds and the staccato thirds. Play it very slowly, and if your hands allow you to, with clarity and accuracy, can go a little bit faster. But the main point here is to be able to do these legato movements in thirds without any tension, so it feels very comfortable and it sounds also very accurate.